No perfume, you don't know smell, like this will leave a statement. This will definitely leave a statement everywhere you go. And not only, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing my perfume collection haul. I asked over on my Instagram if you would like to see a perfume haul or something else, and a lot of people stated they would like to see the kind of perfumes that I have. I don't have as much, but I do have, you know, quite a little bit of collection. I like to buy them usually when they're on sale. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then let's get into it. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off with the first perfume that I got. My mom brought me this perfume from Macy's, and it is the Prada perfume. It looks like this. As you can see, I've been using it. This one smells so good, y'all. It smells like grown woman. Like if you want to be on your grown woman stuff, this right here would totally be the one that you need. Like, it smells like a older, classy, bougie woman that's going out to like a business meeting or it's like a gala or something. This smell lasts on you for so long. Like even after you wash your clothes, you're still able to smell it. Like it is that good. I prefer the Eau de Parfum versus the Eau de Toilette because I feel like the perfumes have a higher level of oil in it, like a higher concentration of oil, and depending on your body chemistry and your body type, like if you have oily skin, dry skin, I feel like it'll go very well with you. And for me personally, like I spray this all over me and I smell so good. Like I leave a statement when I walk in the door with this perfume. Okay, the next perfume that I love to use as well is the Nicki Minaj perfume. This one I'm almost out of it as well. I've had this perfume for a really long time. Like, y'all remember that era where it was like Barbie, Nicki Minaj used to have like the chain that says Barbie on it, and everybody was like into like that Pink Friday look, and she was selling these bottles of perfume. Well, I've had mine for a very long time, and this one is the Minajesty, and it smells so good. Like this I'll wear if I'm going out to like brunch or somewhere with my friends. It is very fruity, super fruity. Like it can be overpowering at times, but I feel like the longer you wear it throughout the day, it kind of like gives you this faint smell, but it's still there. Like it doesn't disappear, which is why I really love it. And I would wear this like, and also the bottle is just so cute. Like why would you throw this away? Like it's too pretty to throw away. I'm not throwing this away. No, boo, it's too cute. Versace Bright Crystal. This one, the bottle is just so nice, y'all. Like, look at this. It is so nice. Like, I just love it. It is amazing. But this one is not the Eau de Parfum. This is the Eau de Toilette, which I'm pretty sure may not last long, but I heard a lot of people talking great things about this one. So I picked mine up from from Ulta, and this was $75. I picked it up for $75 at Ulta, and it's just so cute. Like, it's real pretty, and it smells very like florally. Like it just, oh my God, like designer perfume is one thing I will splurge on. Designer perfume, yes ma'am. This one right here, that may not be everybody's cup of tea because it smells like grown woman. Like it is very musky, and it is the Chanel No. 5, and this is Eau Premiere. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's this bottle. I got it for my birthday. My aunt has a friend that sells perfume. She has this perfume shop, and she couldn't make it to my birthday party, so she just gifted me this. And this one, it smells really grown. Like my cousin tried it one time and he was like, oh my gosh, you smell like an older lady. And I'm like, boo-boo, no, you don't know perfume, you don't know smell. Like this will leave a statement. This will definitely leave a statement everywhere you go. And I only use this like if I'm going to somewhere like fancy. If I'm going to dinner at like a luxury restaurant, I would wear this. I'm not wearing this to no TGI Fridays, y'all. I'm wearing this to like some grown event, like a business meeting. Like I need somebody to smell me. Like I need to leave my mark type. This, real good, y'all. And also what I want to say is that perfume, don't just go buying perfume because people are recommending it. Like you need to be able to test it, try it, ask them for samples to see if it works well with your body odor, because some people, what may smell really good for them may smell not so great for other people. So you want to test it and see how you like it. But I've been into perfume for a long time because my aunt, she used to work at the airport and she used to buy very, very expensive perfume that had very different smells. Like they were either musky, like sandalwood, they had like citrus. I never really had her use a perfume that was floral, like those Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret body sprays. Like no, she was always wearing like the grown woman perfume, like stuff that I've never even heard the name of perfume. So this one is a definite must buy. This one right here, everybody talks about the YSL Black Opium. Like, oh my God, bro. This one right here. My God, bro. Like it smells so good. Like, oh my gosh. This one is the Eau de Parfum, and it says on here, it doesn't really say the notes on here, but if I can find the notes, I'll go ahead and put it down on the screen because I'm not really too good with the describing perfumes because I just started in them. I'm not a perfume connoisseur, so don't come for me down below. But this one, I would wear this on a date with your man. Like, you know, like you want him to be able to smell you. Like you want to be able to have a scent or a perfume that you are known for. Like whenever you're not there or somebody walks by, they're like, that smells like such and such. Like you want to be able to leave your mark, leave your statement. This is one of those. Another one that I always wear that I love is the KKW Body. This one is ultimate fave. Like I'll wear this to a party, you know, like I'll wear this out to brunch, dinner, somewhere. Like, you know, this one smells so good. And the top, you just lift up this little cap right here and it says KKW on it right here. This one is like a silhouette of how her body is supposed to look like, you know. It is, and you can also put this as like a piece, a centerpiece somewhere. Once it's done, like you don't have to throw away your perfume bottles. You can leave them up as decor because them things are expensive and they're pretty nicely constructed. They're like really cute, so you can always leave them. But this one right here just gives me like very floral scent, Gardenian, you know, citrusy smell. This is what this gives me. It doesn't really give me like grown woman scent. It just gives me like a floral, nice smell that you can just wear throughout the day. And it comes with a lot. And this was, I believe, like 40 something or 60 something dollars. Don't quote me. If I find it, I'll link it down below. But I just like the bottle, y'all. She did that. Anything from KKW or Kim Kardashian, I love, but the name, you're taxing, period. Another perfume that I got from KKW Fragrance is the Kylie Lip. This is the pink Kylie Lip. This one is very floral, for fact. This one is very floral. And like this one, oh my God, bro. Y'all, this one just smells so good. But it's so tiny for $35. Like, where do you think y'all going with this small ass amount? Like, I usually spray quite a bit amount of perfume, and this little small thing was $40. Like, you're just paying for the name at this point, because no. But this is cute. Like, you can put it up as decor. Like, I would not throw this away, and it's pretty heavy. Like, the top of this is heavy, but it's cute, you know. The last three perfumes that I have are from Vera Wang, and there are 3 different types. There is the Periwinkle and Iris. There is the Marigold and Gardenia right here. And then there is the Green Tea and Pear Blossom. These are just little light sprays that you will use, like, you know, if you like to smell good all day, you can just use one of these as like a body spray. Nothing too fancy, but my favorite one is the Periwinkle one. It smells good. Usually what I'll do with my perfumes to make them last longer is I'll pair it with a oil. This oil, I got this oil from Amazon. This one is the Lick Me All Over. It smells amazing, y'all. Amazing. And if you hear some crying in the background, don't mind it. That's my little niece crying. She's not feeling well, so disregard that. But this oil right here, paired with the perfume, you'll be smelling good all day. All day, point blank, all day. And then I also like to pair some of them too with this little oil that I got from the mall. You know, those people at the kiosk love harassing you to buy things. And this one is the Coach Floral. This is an oil. It's a roller oil. It smells really good. Love it. I usually add this and then I'll spray my perfume on top. So this is all my little perfume collections that I have right now. I am planning on buying some more. So if you have your favorite perfumes, or if any of these are your favorite, please comment down below so I can try them. I really love trying perfumes because I feel like they help you smell good and leave a statement. Like, it builds up your self-esteem when you put on like some perfume or something. Like, you just smell so good. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.